Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the 3 Android features that you need to turn off right now. So here, I'm going to just go to the settings to start. And the first one that you need to turn off the automatic system update. So in here, you just need to scroll down and find the system update settings. So click on this, and here my system is already on the latest version, and you need to turn off the auto system update. Why? Because if you turn it on, you can control the update, so it makes your storage, your phone storage, full easily, and it probably make your phone running slow. So you can just do it manually if there is any update. So just click on the three dots icon at the top to turn it on. Turn it off, click on the upgrade settings, and you can see now my setting is currently on. So you need to just click on this to turn it off, and after that click on disable. So after that, here you can also turn this off again, disable. And the second features that you need to turn off is the connect to Wi-Fi automatically. So under the settings, find the network and internet options, click on the Wi-Fi, and here go to the network preferences, this one. Okay, so you need to turn off the Wi-Fi, this feature, turn on Wi-Fi automatically, because if you turn on your Wi-Fi automatically in the public spaces, it might be dangerous because your phone can be bugged by a hacker or maybe some other random person. So you can just turn it off. And the third one, or the last one, is the battery saver mode. So that feature is actually help you to save your battery, but it actually will reduce your phone performance. So you need to turn it off. Scroll down and find the battery settings. So this is the battery saver. So because it will limit the or turn off the background activities, some visual effect, and certain features, so it might reduce or lower your phone performance. So you need to just turn it off. So that's some Android tips for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.